Hi friends, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about what are the limitations of Python. Uh, in the previous class, we have discussed about what are the extensive libraries and how to generate a OTP number by using a Python code. And then we have also written a program for rolling a dice. Okay, yeah. So now before that we have covered what are the extensible libraries and what is embedded. Okay, and what is function, module, package, library. Now we are going to describe about limitations of Python. Limitations of Python. So what are the limitations does the Python have? Till now we have discussed about why we are going for Python, what are the job applications we have, and how to use Python. Till now we learned all this, but now any not only Python, any programming language have some limitations, some disadvantages. So whatever the limits that does the Python have, it has minimal limitations. Okay, so first one is it is performance wise it is not up to the mark. Performance, just wait, I am going to give the desktop. Okay. Yeah, performance wise not up to the mark because it is an interpreted language. What is an interpreted language? Interpreted language is nothing but it will execute the program without compilation. It will execute the program without compilation. Most of the other languages need compilation, but Python doesn't need any compilation. Uh, now, so but that is a disadvantage of Python because it will take some time to execute the program. If we compile the program before executing, then it will take less time. But without compilation, if you directly run the program, then it will take some time. That is the disadvantage of Python. And next one, so it is not suitable for mobile application. It is not suitable for mobile applications. It is not suitable for mobile applications. Most of the Python developers will use Python for developing web applications like Flipkart, Amazon, Okay, even the for python.org. Okay, but for only developing web applications, not for mobile applications. If you want to use Python for developing mobile applications, then we need to add some more any other programming languages. We need to take help from any other programming languages. Then there is a chance to develop mobile applications also. But directly we are unable to develop mobile applications from Python. These are the limitations of Python. These are the limitations of Python. Next, our next topic is language fundamentals. So here, just wait. Let's wait our course content. Let's see. Yeah, these are our course content. So we have covered all these topics till now. Features of Python we discussed. Ideally Python. So we have done a small program. Okay, and limitations we had covered. Now we are going to cover language fundamentals. Okay, what are the language fundamentals? These fundamentals, first we need first the identifiers will take place. Identifiers will take place. Yeah, identifiers. Okay, what is identifier? Identifiers are nothing but the names which we have specified while writing a program. Names which we have specified while writing a program. Let's take an example. For suppose, just I'm writing here a small one. Otherwise, we can also write here. Okay, let's take one variable. What is the variable name? X. X equal to 10, and then y equal to 20, and then z equal to x plus y. Okay, so here these are the integers 10, 20. Okay, and here the x, y, z are the variable names. Names of a variable. Variable names are names of a variable. And if you want to define a function, okay, then we will give the name of the function. Okay, so here I'm going to define a function by writing def. Def means def means define a function. That function name I can call it as f1 and parenthesis. Okay, here f1 is the function. That means it is the name of a function. Okay, we are going to define a function. That function name is f1. So here f1 is an identifier. We can take an example as f1. F1 is an identifier, and x, y, z, these are also called as an identifiers for that numbers. Okay, and we can also take one class object, inheritance, polymorphism. These things I will going to explain in upcoming sessions. These are comes under in object oriented programming. OOPS concept. Okay, class, object, inheritance. Both those are just for understanding purpose. I'm just taking one example. Class test. So here I had taken one name called test. Test is the name of a class. So here the test is also called as an one identifier. Uh, let's take a general example. For suppose John. John is a developer. So his identity is an John. He has the name called John, right? That may be a, taken as his identification. Okay. That those are nothing but an identifier. Those are nothing but identifiers. Okay. Next. I'm going to delete this one. Okay. Next, I'm going to write a definition for identifiers. Identifiers. So what is the definition of identifier? A name in the Python program is called as identifiers. A name in the Python program is called as an identifier. Next one. It can be a class name or function name or module name or variable name. These things we have discussed just few minutes back. We have discussed about variable, we have discussed about module, function, class, variable, name. Module and function we have discussed in the last previous sessions. Okay. What are the examples of identifiers? What are the examples of identifiers? So here x equal to 10 and def. Def means define a function. Def of next definition. Def is an one function. So here f. Okay. Define a function. Function name is f. Next class. Class test. To specify in capital letters. Okay. This is about uh, identifiers. Okay, today we have discussed about limitations of Python and language fundamentals. In that language fundamentals, we have discussed about identifiers. What is an identifier? It is the name in the Python program is called identifier. It can be a class name, function name, module name, or an variable name. Examples of these identifiers are x. X is a variable, so it is called as an identifier. And the next one, function. F is an function that is called as one variable. And test is an identifier. It is describing about class. Okay, that's all for this session. In upcoming sessions, we are going to discuss about what are the rules to define a identifiers. What are the rules to define identifiers? Okay. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.